Okay, today is June 2nd, Tuesday, 2020. It's about 4:08. The market just closed. So I do not have futures here. I don't know what's going to happen tonight, but I do know that the market wants to go higher. We're in a bull run. I considered the fact the last day or two or three that possibly the market will have like a pause and start going sideways, but I actually think that the market is actually about to break out in potential. Doesn't mean for sure, but it means that the market's looking very strong. We don't care the reason why. That never matters to me. The VIX is down 5%, which is very bullish. The Russell's up almost 1%, very bullish. Oil is up 4%, very bullish. Copper's up almost 1%, very bullish. The 10-year Treasury, 1 minute, is 10-year Treasury up 0.2, very bullish. Not super, but bullish. Everything, all the indicators are bullish. VXX, which I like to watch, today went down, made a lower low finally. The low is 31 and change. It didn't get to there, but it made a lower low for the past 2 or 3 weeks. It finally broke under 33.5. It went to 32.46 as the low, closed about 32.55 about. So things are looking very bullish to me. I'm shorting volatility. That's how I like to make money. To me, that's probably the best way to do it when the market's going up. You could also buy triples like TQQ, UPRO. It looks like it's breaking out. There's always a chance the market won't do that. But if the internals are intact and the market's looking well, I think that, again, I don't like to say reasons, but low interest rates, Fed's money, and I think there's buyers coming in. That's what's unique to me right now that changed today versus yesterday and the day before. The last few days, we've sort of kind of been melting up mostly with little pullbacks, little craziness. We sort of survived a lot of negativity. Now the market's actually starting to break out. We're going to have a lot of people chasing this market soon. So I would stay bullish. And if the market pulls back, keep on buying it. At some point, we're going to have to pause and be careful of a pullback. But according to my calculations, that's when VXX hits about 26. Now it's 32.5. So we have about 20%. I've been saying 20%, but it was a little more than 20%. We have about 20% downside for VXX, 20% about upside for the triple NASDAQ, triple S&P, and the market itself probably has about 5-6% upside in potential. If anything changes, I'll obviously change with it. But so far, everything's looking very bullish, and it seems like the news doesn't really matter. So according to my understanding, you just stay bullish. If the market pulls back a little bit, I'll add more shorting, more volatility. I think we're in a historical market. Historical. We went down almost 40% in like a month, and now we're going up almost 40% in about a month. Unbelievable. Maybe 2 months, really a little more like 2 months. But it took some time for the market to really pick up heat, and now it's going up. So we're about in the 9th or 10th week of this bull run. We had a couple of weeks in between the last 9 weeks or 10 weeks. The market actually ended a little lower, but in general, the market's on a rip to go higher, and we got to ride this thing out as long as it goes. So pretty much there's not much to say. I'm waiting for VXX to go, just keep dropping. And as a result, to me, that means the market's gonna keep going up. It doesn't matter what indicator you like. There's a lot of them. I try to mention about 4 or 5 every day. My favorite is VXX. If it keeps going lower, to me, that means the market keeps going higher. And there are people like to buy breakouts. If the market's breaking out now and going up another few percent, there are people that are gonna chase that. Big institutions are gonna chase that, and that creates more value for all of us. So just stick with the trend. It doesn't guarantee tomorrow the market will be up. The market could consolidate, could fluctuate. But in general, you want to stick with the trend. Let all the negative people stay negative. Stick with the trend. And like I said, we have a lot of room to run. If VXX is going to 26, if that's usually pretty accurate, these calculations, that really does give a lot of running room no matter what ETF you're buying that's related to the market bull. Just be bullish. Don't be bearish. This is not the time to be cautious. This is a time to be aggressive. And if something changes, that's when we'll start being cautious. Have a great day, and let's see what the futures bring later on. We'll probably do another video probably either tonight or tomorrow morning before the market open.